Welcome back to a burst of flavor cooking. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this easy peasy keto roasted pork loin. You will need about 3.5 to 4 pounds of pork loin. Place the pork in a pan and coat it with about 4 tablespoons of cooking oil. Now mix together some of your favorite seasonings. I'm going to be using some Greek seasonings today. So I'm going to be using gyros, bifteki and souvlaki seasoning mix. Cover your pork well with your seasoning mixture. Place a foil over the pork and bake at 350 degrees for 1.5 hours. When the 1.5 hours is up, remove the foil and continue to bake for an additional 30 minutes. Once the pork is finished baking, allow it to sit for about 10 minutes before cutting into it. From there on, serve it your way. And until next time, walk good.